This is Guru Focus Market Today, your afternoon market brief for Wednesday, July 1. Here's where things stand. Nike reported fiscal fourth quarter earnings and revenue above Wall Street forecasts, boosted by a $986 million U.S. tariff refund. Sales in Greater China fell 12%, and the company projected flat earnings through early 2027. Nike continues to target a rebound in China while managing global demand shifts. Plus, Kroger announced it will acquire regional grocer Giant Eagle for $1.65 billion in cash and assumed liabilities. The deal expands Kroger's Midwest presence, with Giant Eagle retaining its brand and headquarters. The transaction is expected to close in 2027, pending regulatory approval. FedEx agreed to sell its FedEx supply chain business to France-based CMA CGM for $1.4 billion. The sale will triple CEVA Logistics' North American footprint and allow FedEx to focus on its core freight and parcel delivery operations. Meta Platforms shares surged nearly 9% after unveiling plans to commercialize excess artificial intelligence computing capacity. The company will launch a cloud business, positioning itself against other hyperscalers and lifting investor sentiment. The Food and Drug Administration granted Philip Morris approval to market 20 variants of its Zen nicotine pouches as less harmful than cigarettes. The FDA cited reduced risk of cancer and heart disease for users. Medicare has started a trial program offering GLP-1 weight loss drugs, including Eli Lilly's Zepbound and Novo Nordisk's Wegovy, to qualifying beneficiaries for $50 per month. Retailers such as Walmart and CVS Health are supporting the rollout to seniors. Lamborghini, a unit of Volkswagen, introduced the Urus SE Performante, a plug-in hybrid SUV with 801 horsepower and advanced suspension. The launch highlights Lamborghini's strategic shift away from fully electric vehicles. Micron Technology shares declined after a strong post-earnings rally as volatility persisted across semiconductor stocks. Analysts noted divided sentiment and heightened options trading activity despite ongoing demand for artificial intelligence hardware. Major U.S. retailers, including Amazon, Walmart, and Target, are running extensive 4th of July sales on technology, home, and apparel categories. Many items are priced under $50, with promotions extending through the holiday weekend. Cal-Maine Foods and other leading U.S. egg producers agreed to pay $3.3 million and donate 53 million eggs to settle government price-fixing claims covering the period from 2022 to 2025. No company admitted wrongdoing in the settlement. The Trump administration is launching Trump accounts for children under 18, with a nationwide rollout on July 4th. The new tax-advantaged investment vehicles feature a $1,000 government contribution for babies born between 2025 and 2028, along with broader matching programs. Federal Reserve Chair Kevin Warsh reiterated the central bank's focus on curbing inflation and maintaining independence at the European Central Bank Forum. Warsh emphasized price stability as paramount and did not signal any immediate changes to interest rates. Major U.S. stock indexes slipped as investors reacted to Fed Chair Warsh's comments on inflation and awaited the June jobs report. Semiconductor and energy stocks experienced renewed pressure during the session. Crude oil prices stabilized at pre-war levels after a ceasefire in Iran and normalization of Persian Gulf exports. Analysts now forecast a potential global oversupply as production ramps up. Second quarter U.S. auto sales were mixed. Toyota, Hyundai, Honda, and Kia increased market share through robust hybrid sales, while General Motors and Ford reported declines amid weaker electric vehicle demand and product transitions. Anthropic received U.S. government approval to release its advanced Claude Fable 5 and Mythos 5 artificial intelligence models globally. The clearance follows enhanced safety controls and deeper partnerships with federal agencies. Major technology firms, including Amazon, Intel, Oracle, and Dell, spent billions on workforce reductions over the past year as they restructure for cloud and artificial intelligence priorities. Some companies are now reconsidering AI-driven layoffs. Companies such as Ford and IBM are rehiring workers after finding that replacing employees with artificial intelligence did not fully resolve quality and organizational needs. This reflects a more cautious approach to automation. A recent study found that U.S. companies investing heavily in artificial intelligence increased overall headcount by 10.2% over 2 years, countering expectations of widespread job losses due to automation. BlackRock's TCPC Private Credit Fund CEO Phil Tseng will depart following regulatory and valuation scrutiny. The fund's value was marked down twice this year, and shares are down over 35% year-to-date. President Donald Trump disclosed $1.4 billion in crypto-related earnings for 2025, including licensing and token sales, following liberalized cryptocurrency regulations. That's your market brief. And that's your Guru Focus Brief. We'll be back with your next market update. Thanks for listening.